Hey guys, I'm making this video because there's no videos. There's a lot of videos on these VVT lockout and limiters, but there isn't one for this Cam Notion. It's called a lock block for the Hemi VVT. So make a short little video here. I just put it back together far enough to make the video and show it me installing the actual plug, going by the instructions that were with the block itself, which is just these here, if you want to pause and look at those. But all you're going to need is the Hemi VVT limiter or lockout tool to hold the spring. You'll know what that looks like because you'll need it anyway to do this job. So the screw at the 10 o'clock position to where the tool is, you're only going to take out, turn it out one turn, and then the rest of them you're going to take all the way out, spin them all the way out. And one of them does look like that. That's the one that the spring is holding, or the tool is holding the spring there. So one of them is a pin, the rest of them take all the way out. Spin it around. So if you look at this, now there's no videos on this Cam Notion plug, but I'm just going to go with common sense here. Most of the videos you watch will be 2 o'clock position is where everybody's putting that plug. If you notice, the rest of these vanes all have a gap in them. You don't want to put the plug in there, which fits freely in there, right? You don't want it to move freely at all, because the purpose of the lockout is to keep it from moving 100%. You want it to be 100% tight. So the plug will not go in right out of the bag. It just doesn't. It'll start to go in, and then if you try to, you're supposed to tap it in per the instructions. But I had to file mine just a little bit, like it says, to get it in there. I tapped it in a little bit. It was shaving a little bit off of the edge, so I took it back out, filed a little bit off. You want light taps. Just inspect it. If you're hammering it in and it's shaving metal off the sides, just tap it back out, side to side. Till you can wiggle it back out. And you'll notice where it's starting to catch. Just file all the way down that side, and eventually, and this is the first one I've done, get you a little file like this. I just go all the way down the end because I know it's going to catch right there. Just put a little flat spot there. A little bit at a time. You don't want it to be loose. Put it back in. If you can wiggle it in a little bit, that's a good start. It looks like I'm hitting it a lot harder in the video, but I'm not, I promise. Light hammer taps, it'll keep moving, and you want it to be that tight, okay? Once this plugs in, it's not removable. And you'll know it's all the way down when you can take this, push it down flat, and you don't feel it catch, okay? If you want to make sure that it's all the way in, just take a punch. Something with a flat head, not a point. Tap it down in there. That's locked and that's never moving. Swing it back on. Put some Loctite on your bolts. Torque them back down. Take the tool off. And you're good to go.